people think you need thousands of dollars saved up to invest in real estate. That's just not true. In fact, some of the biggest real estate investors started with zero money. Real estate is about finding great deals, not just having cash. All right, let's break down the 5 proven ways that you can start investing with no money down right now. Number 1, wholesaling. The fastest way to make cash is to find a motivated seller, put the property under contract, and then reassign that contract. We're flipping contracts, not houses. Use free tools like Facebook, Marketplace, Craigslist, and prop stream trials to find deals. Number 2, seller financing. No banks needed. Instead of using the bank, the seller can act as the lender. Perfect for retired landlords or people with no mortgage who just want passive income. Number 3, house hacking. Live for free, building wealth by buying a duplex or renting out rooms in a single family home. Tenants can cover your mortgage while you build equity. Number 4, partnerships and ventures. Your role in a partnership is to find deals and manage them while your partner funds the purchase. Okay, number 5, the BRRRR method. The BRRRR method is recycling your money. It's buy, renovate, rent, refinance. Wash, rinse, repeat. Seek a hard money lender. Now the rates will be double, possibly triple what a normal rate is, but you can get out of that deal by refinancing. How to take action today. Now that you know these strategies, here's how to take action today. Pick one of these methods or skills that fit you and your lifestyle. Wholesaling, house hacking, or partnerships. It's easy to partner with someone. Join your local real estate group and meet investors. Find your first deal. Use Zillow, Craigslist, and local Facebook groups in the marketplace. Educate yourself. Subscribe to this channel for one, and grab the free guide in the description. It's time for the Toasty Tip of the day. Here's a secret that will separate you from the amateurs. Negotiations. When you call a seller about a specific property, let them talk. They will uncover their true motivation. Most beginners rush into making the offer, but the real power is the motivation. Listen more than you speak. When you let the seller talk to you, uncover the reason for selling. And that's where the deal is made. Start with open-ended questions like, why are you considering selling? What's your ideal outcome? If you could wave a magic wand, how would this deal go? Just listen for key motivators. Are they in foreclosure, dealing with divorce, relocating, or just tired of tenants? Their answer shapes the structure of your offer, whether it's seller financing, a lease option, or a low cash offer. After they share their situation, don't rush off and make an offer. Tell them you'll run some numbers and you'll call them back. Use these methods and you'll close deals where others fail. Now, you have everything you need to invest in real estate with no money. Knowledge is power, but it's useless without action. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment on which strategy that you're going to try first, and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more real estate investing tips. See you next video.